Hey guys, what's up? I just got a couple packages today. One is my new Pebble. It's the regular Pebble. I have one right here, but as you see, the button broke off. So I contacted Pebble, and through an exchange of emails, they ended up sending me a new one. I just had to send my broken one to them. So that's my Pebble, and then this is SSX 3 for the PlayStation 2. I had a copy right here, but this happened years ago when I was still pretty young, trying to get it out. It's got a nasty circle scratch on it, so that game's done. It's not able to be played anymore, so you guys got a double unboxing coming at you. Got my box cutter and my scissors. The scissors are going to be much easier to use on that package. Here's the brand new Pebble. There any the shipping label's just in my email. So here's the Pebble, and I've got another box up there, so might have an extra box unless I send it back in that one. Okay, so the label is put on upside down, but who cares? Okay, this one I might have to cut. And interestingly enough, I didn't even notice this when I first bought it. This game came from Goodwill. Don't want to show my address, but there you go. That's SSX 3. Where's my old copy? As you see, the main difference is this one wasn't the greatest hits. I got this before it became a greatest hits. So this was only like $4, and it came with the manual and everything. So that's the game. I'll open up my Pebble in a second. Okay. So hard to cut with one hand, but I got it open. Just working on. Completely open. So there you go. Says up to 7-day battery life. Water resistance up to 50 meters. And daylight readable display. So, yeah. I'm gonna set this up on my own because, you know, you guys don't really need to see that. But I will let you guys know how everything goes. Got 2 Pebble boxes, so yeah. Let me know what you think. Comment, rate, subscribe, and talk to y'all later. Peace.